G'day guys, special episode of MMT Daily today. Ninja and I here, and we got Kim. Now,
Hello.
Kim is from Finland, and he's just finished our Bodywork course, and he's flown over to Australia to experience the in-person end of certificate this weekend. But he's here during the week as well, hanging out, and he's going to jump in a video to help Ninja fix his calf. So what happened, Ninja?
Yeah, I was doing a 150 last week, and just out of nowhere, I felt like my calf really cramped up and strained. So I kind of tried to keep it going a little bit, but then I realised, nah, I'm done for the day. But it wasn't that bad because I still did some little strides and stuff. So I couldn't even feel it then, but I knew that I couldn't really push off hard. So it might have been a little bit fatigue kind of stuff and cramp, but I had some tubular bandage on it for the next 3 days, and because it was waking up quite sore, but they'd warmed up and I couldn't feel it. So I know there's something in there, a strain, and yeah, up to these two guys to try and figure it out. I don't think I need really heavy work, but there might be some other thing going on. So so leave it in these guys' hands.
Can you elaborate on the other thing going on?
Oh, if there's anything for the back or things like that, but I don't think I just haven't. The other thing was a bit of hamstring. I felt that as well that night. Afterwards. So it might have been a hamstring, which I have traditionally had this, but haven't had it for over 6 months. I don't think I've had any hamstring awareness. So it might be hamstring and then calf. But it was kind of inside of my calf, so it cramped in the inside, which I always think it doesn't really ever get hurt. But this one, it was sort of more probably in here that I could feel it down into that kind of tendon bit there. Yeah. But it just sort of worked through that inside calf, and just like there, I can kind of feel that there's still a little bit of something going on. So just get some work and reassure me for Friday. I want to run again. I want to kick his ass. I can't let him come over here.
Handicap.
Handicap. He wants a handicap.
Well, should we go and have a look what you reckon it is, Ninja? Because historically, you think a lot of calf stuff happens on the outside there, don't you? But it surprised you how much it was the inside.
Yeah. So just the inside does feel like the gastroc because it did feel superficial muscle.
Not soleus.
But it might be deeper in that there's an issue.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah. All right, let's get you down, Ninja.
Was it when you do like this?
No, it was running.
You run too slow and try to get more.
It was like at the 100-meter mark of.
You were running well.
Yeah, I was ploughing through the ground. I just didn't expect it, so I was having fun. And
all right, so which one is it again, Ninja?
The right.
It's the right one.
Right inside.
Yeah.
So you can have a.
Do you want to treat, Kim? You treat.
You can start.
I can start. Okay.
You can start. I can fix.
Okay. All right. I'll warm it up for you then.
Warm up.
Yeah.
Does it feel like it needs a warm up, Ninja, or is it just pinpoint?
Yeah. You can just sort of.
Kim's having a bit of a tickle.
Feel it?
Yeah, in the money spot just there, I felt like there was a bit of something. That's more lateral.
More inside.
Try to test.
What are you feeling, Kim?
It's probably a bit more medial.
Yeah,
Bit more inside.
Yeah, I try to feel a bit. Yes, something.
Kind of that in there.
Oh,
Good.
Good start.
It sort of feels therapeutic just going in like that. Yeah.
Pin and hold. Kim's got it.
Yeah, it's probably, and probably just slightly, right that's it.
Very good.
Tibial posterior.
So that's,
Tibialis posterior, you reckon? Yeah.
that's fading already.
But it's really deep.
Yeah. So yeah, there's nothing.
Can I go a little bit deeper?
Deeper, yeah, because it's sort of not faded. Yeah, just in there.
Yeah.
So that's sort of quite sore. The holding that is really, geez.
Get in there.
Therapeutic, yeah.
How have you felt recovering? It's Wednesday now. It's Friday. How's it been?
I've been good for 2 days, I reckon. Maybe 3. Monday was alright, but Saturday and Sunday it was still really sore in the morning. But yeah, once I had kept the bandage on, the compression, and once I got moving, I was right. I stopped for a little bit. I was doing lots of work in my garden and stuff over the weekend, so up and down hills. So I didn't rest really.
Good
Good work. Wow.
Kim's doing some pretty cool dynamic stuff here.
Mm,
so
yeah.
shortening the leg like that can really soften it and make it easier to push into. It's not as taut, so
Because the typical posture you make like this and
stretch it a little bit when you
Yeah.
push it out. Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah,
too much.
different
How much from 1 to 10?
It's faded now already. So
Oh,
it
okay.
starts off real sharp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there, where
Yeah.
you go when you slide. It's
But
sort of
Now
intense.
I mean typical posture, really relax.
Yeah, it's sort of when you kind of pull more medial, I can feel. But yeah, it fades quick, so it's sort of like it's intense and then it fades. Yeah. So that's good.
There we go.
Oh, it's there, yeah.
Ooh, it's good, Kim.
That's good, Kim.
Giving you curry ninja.
Yeah.
He's got the marks of a bodyworker. Look at him.
All the way from Finland.
All the way from Finland, exactly.
Oh.
Dedication. He
Yeah.
has done our course. First man from Finland to be
First and best in
first and
Finland.
best. First and best. There will be no others.
Yeah.
You got a monopoly.
I know my friend is coming also, but he has not done his study now.
Is he? Okay,
yeah,
cool.
he is really good guy.
Oh,
When he's
awesome.
coming.
Maybe you can start a business together.
Yeah. He's already really big guy.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Wrestler.
Is he?
Yeah.
I think it's cool that you found us, man, and you've been dedicated to improving your skills and taking it back to Finland. And so anyone else watching this video, whenever it's out, that's thinking about doing the course, Kim's
Can you move your?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hurting.
bit of dynamic. Yeah, Kim's had a career change. He was an engineer for how many years?
Over 20 years.
Over 20 years. And now he's going to be a body worker for the next 25 years.
Earn money.
Yeah, earn some money. Fix people.
No. We don't earn money. We fix people.
Yeah, that's it.
It's okay.
How's it feeling, man?
Yeah, good.
Giving you curry?
Yeah.
The double thumb technique's a good one
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
save your thumbs.
It's too much.
No, I'm alright. I'm just seeing what you're doing.
Your special double thumb.
Yeah, double. You look strong, man. It's good.
I go slowly.
It kind of feels good. You kind of cleared that area there already. You just sort of down a little bit lower now, where the
Down towards the foot.
down towards the foot, down
Yeah,
towards the
something.
tip of that. Fuck, that's a bit
Yes.
sore there though. That's probably new.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's kind of nervy.
Yeah.
A bit of nerve there.
Let's move a little bit. How it feel here?
What are you feeling for there, Kim?
I feel if there's
Something
some
hard?
tight. Yeah,
something-
yeah. I learned that from you that even if you feel some strains,
Yeah.
fix
So,
it.
something that's a bit more solid than it should
Yeah.
be. Yeah, that's what we're looking for as body workers. Is call it hypertonic areas. So areas of too much tone. When people are lying down on the table like this, like there's no gravity on their body, so things really shouldn't be too taut and painful. So people can be muscular, but and look quite tonus, but then it shouldn't be like real rigid and painful. So that's areas that we pay attention to.
Is it too much?
No, he seems alright there.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You'll know from Ninja. You'll.
Ah, okay.
This is probably, I can direct you.
Do you reckon it's
Probably
more
one last little
Yeah,
bit
yeah,
inside.
inside? Yeah.
Yeah,
This is probably just here,
yeah.
just in there somewhere. Maybe you don't need to probably do sharp and just be held like that.
Okay.
Do you have some wax?
Want some wax? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Scoop out. Straight.
Yeah, sort of coming to something.
Close.
Yeah. Deep in there.
You can always tell a good elbow. It's a good angle from here.
Yeah, okay. That
You feel like an elbow?
No,
Pretty cool, isn't it?
yeah.
How much? 7, 8?
No, it's alright. Fine, just keep going.
Go slowly.
yeah.
Really good.
Out.
Yeah. Keep going through there. That's it from there.
Got it?
Yeah. It's not too hard, not too painful, but just keep going through it so it can clear
Relentless.
the path.
What are you feeling for, Kim? Just
No
intuition?
problem. Yeah. No, yeah, it was here. Here is some tightness. There.
Yeah, you just angle just a little bit medial. Stay on that exact spot, but just angle a little bit medial towards the midline. Then you'll be pinning on something I can feel in there. Yeah. Angle there, yeah, that way.
Good, Kim.
Good.
It sort of pins it so it's trapped and then it's got to melt.
It's awesome.
Good.
When you get these little incidents come up, in the first 48 hours, you don't want treatment, do you, Ninj? But then after that 3 to 4 day period, it starts to feel like things are knitting up and healing, and then need more blood flow in there now, so you can actually get work into it. You probably don't want to get work.
I've been saying this, sorry to cut you off, man, but I do work it myself because I don't want anybody else to touch me.
Yeah, that's it. You got
So,
it, because the boundaries, isn't it?
Yeah, I
It's-
know my own boundaries,
Yeah.
and but I really like to know what's going on in there, and I can get a real good sense of it by pushing into it myself.
So the lesson is to don't avoid it yourself. You want to get your own intel into it. So very light touch to know exactly where it is
Yeah.
and to accelerate some healing. But you can stuff it up if someone else goes in there too early. I think.
Yeah, you can go without permission and do damage while it's still raw. So your
Good.
body, like Aaron said, it's knitting up at the start, it's healing, it's doing all the different things it does. Inflammation is a critical part of that. So yeah, the compression was just something you got to do. Doesn't matter, how big the strain is, but even little strains get
Try to go
compression
that
on.
line.
That's really good, man. Yeah.
Here's
Beautiful, yeah.
here.
Awesome.
How it feels here.
It's good. Clearing it through.
It's good, isn't he, Leo?
Yeah, it's good. What's the footy?
He wants it.
I gave a speech about that in the last webinar, didn't I?
And
You
it
want the
worked.
footy. This bloke wants a footy. How much does this guy want the footy? He's over from Finland. Bloody hell.
The whole country is going to be lining up outside your house.
No footies. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
Yes.
We've got people in our backyard, they don't want the footy as much as you, do they?
That's really good.
I cannot do footy.
You can't do footy?
No.
It's a terminology.
Yeah. It's yeah, I understand, but no fast.
You're a magnet.
You don't like
Yeah.
soccer?
Yeah.
You like soccer?
I'm goalkeeper.
Oh.
really?
Wow.
Goalkeeper.
Yeah, and I usually throw the what is the when you are throwing inside the ball.
Like a throw?
Yeah.
Like a big...
Umpire.
No, yeah, but I look like I don't know.
Oh, you do a cartwheel and then throw it?
Yeah. From half.
Half.
Of course you do.
But I was goalkeeper,
Yeah.
and then I run back.
Oh, you take the throw-ins?
Yeah.
And then run back?
Yeah.
reckon it's cleared, ain't Inge?
Yeah.
What do
Yeah.
you think? Or is there
It
one
feels-
more coming?
Yeah, a little bit.
That
Here,
bit there
here
is
is.
sort of
Yeah.
Oh,
feels
yeah.
a bit nervy or something.
Yeah.
Can you move a little bit? Yeah.
Oh, there's nerve there. Nice.
Yes.
So yeah, there wasn't too much in it, but it was still worth.
Yeah.
And it was
Go
deep
to. Yeah.
as well. It was worth working on.
Here is a little bit, but
So the moral of this one is, just because something feels alright, just don't still get it treated.
yeah.
Because there might be some
So true.
some deep over scarring or something tied around it that's prevented the flow, the proper sequencing of contractions through your
Yeah.
leg.
No muscle.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes, but it's really,
Relax.
really relaxed.
It's awesome, man.
What you want?
First treatment video done.
Yeah.
How good.
And speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
You've done treatment videos, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can do it,
Yeah,
man.
you're great. There you go. So if you're in Finland, this is your man.
Yeah.
We might put your
Links.
in the description below so people can
Yeah.
click to find you. But if you also want to do bodywork like Kim has done, yeah, sign up to our intakes next year and you can go through the process just like Kim and then come out to Australia as well. Thanks, mate. Well done. Done.
Chill.
Yeah.
Done. Done. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well done, Kim.